Dog will make origami. First we will take the paper A4, fold from the center. Again we will make the triangle shape. We will need the square paper. So we will fold the paper. Cut it from the center. These two paper equal size, square size. We need two papers, one for the body and one for the head. So keep aside first. First we will make the background here. First we will make the dog live in a kennel. So we'll make the hut here for the dog. Like this we will make the hut here where our dog will stay. This is the slant line and this is the base line here. Now here we will draw the door for entry of the dog, for fresh air. Here we will draw the line, divide the ground and the sky. Here we will draw the one tree here for which the dog will give the shade from the sun. Like this. Now we will give the shade of the tree. Here we will give some look of the house. Like this. And here we will draw the bowl which the dog will eat the food. This is the bone and here is the bowl where the dog will, and you can draw some bowl here to put the water for the dog, some grasses, sun and some birds. This is the background of the dog. Now this keep aside. Now we will take the paper here. First we will draw the body. See the body. This is paper we have folded from the center here. Now we will fold inside this paper to the line, and we take the outside this paper like this and put some part here for the tail here. Now see, first we have folded this one and this is small part. Now we will fold the paper like this here. This is the body of the dog. Keep aside. Now we will make the head. Fold from the center here and fold it on the one side for making the mouth like this, front side, and this is the back side. You fold the paper, give the shape of the head. This is the ear of the dog like this. here. This is the front size, this is the front, and this is the back side. We'll put the paper, this one back side like this, and we'll put this here for the bent here, small bent like this. See, we will stick this one. This is our head is ready now. The ear of the head is in the same size. Now here we will take the marker or the sketch pen for making the nose, and the W here, put some dots, 3 lines this side and 3 lines this side, and here we will stick the eyes, eyebrow. Here we will take some googly eyes for sticking the ear eye. If you know how to put the black dots there. Like this we will make the head, and here we will put the gum here. Like this we will stick it. Our dog is ready now. Keep aside this one and take the paper we have made with a color paper, house of the dog, tree. Now I have made other dog like this, and put some gum here on the back side and stick it here. And puppy I have made, put the Fevicol here, put the puppy here, one puppy, and one more puppy is there. Here we will make the puppy. Here I have taken the one dot here for sticking the sun. Stick the sun here, and here we will make some birds. Now our dog is ready now. Thanks for watching. So please do like, comment, share and subscribe.